Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna go ahead and learn about how to send dice on Monopoly Go. So there is actually no straightforward process onto doing this, but there is something that we could do to send dices onto your friend. So just a quick overview if you're not familiar with Monopoly Go. So this is actually what it looks like. So you need to click on the Go to roll in the dice and to move the icon onto the board. And for us to be able to proceed onto going ahead and sending the dice, we'll have to click onto the friends icon here onto the bottom part for that one. So once you're already in here, you should be able to see the one that has contacts in there and the 30 dice. So you could go ahead and share this 30 dice to your friends if you click onto this orange button. So you'll just need to add the contacts in there, add in their phone numbers, or find your friends so that once they go ahead and try to sign in for Monopoly Go, they should be able to receive the 30 dice with them. So that is more like a reward to them and should be able to receive it as well as a reward. And that's just basically it on to sending dice on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.